your car guy here. Today, 2008 Honda Civic, we're going to change the PCV valve. Now, if you're not used to what a PCV valve is, it's a positive crankcase ventilation valve. It is what allows the pressure that's inside the engine a place to escape. Now, because we just can't vent that into the air for emissions purposes, we run it back into the intake manifold, and then it burns it back through the engine again to clean it up. Now, the PCV valve on these is actually kind of hidden a little bit because it sits right straight down here underneath the hose that's right behind this clip. So to get to it, we'll take this clip and lift it up. This is for a grounding wire. And then you can see right down there, we have a clamp and a hose, this hose here, and underneath that bolts in the PCV valve, which will look, if you can see it in the package, like that. You'll need a socket to take it out. You'll screw the new one in and reattach the hose. So first thing we'll do is we'll go ahead and undo the clamp there with a pair of pliers and pull that hose up off so we can get a socket on there. All right, I'm gonna show you, once you have your hose off, I have my 17mm socket down on the PCV valve, and I've slightly bent this bracket out of the way to give me a little more room to get direct access. Then it's a matter of socket, put an extension on it to get some room here, and then loosen it up. There you have it, our old PCV valve's out. We're going to put our new PCV valve in, reattach the hose, reattach the clamp, and that's it. There you see it with the hose back in place. Now, one of the things I did, because it's difficult to get to this hose, is I went ahead and put the clamp in place on the hose and then shoved the hose down over the PCV valve. Because it's got a tapered end on the valve, it'll go right in. Don't forget to re-secure this ground wire right there. And that's it, you've changed your PCV valve. It's not a terribly difficult job. The access back there's a little bit tough, and getting the hose off is probably the most difficult part you're going to face. But if you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. This is your car guy.